Hey Albert, hey track fans, and welcome back to track 97. We're going to have a great time today on the track. It is the afternoon, so we've got a little bit of natural light coming from outside. Amazing stuff. Now we have got a Golf Evora GT3. I almost forgot what it was called there. And I really like it. It's in the Golf colours, which are blue, sky blue and orange. And what we're going to do, we're going to take the spoiler off so we don't ruin it, because I'm sick of ruining spoilers. We all know how I feel about spoiler damage. Any of the 3D printers out there, I'd love to get in touch. I've got a rake of cars that need spoilers pretty much. So anyway, let's see what this Golf GT Evora GT3 can do on the track. Are you ready, Albert? Are you ready, track fans? Spectators, ready! And we're off. Let's drive straight into the kick out on a hammerhead, round down the corner into the drift circle, lovely onto the overpass, long straight. Oh, and he's down already. Okay, let's go and rescue him. I knew I would crash on that bit at least once or twice on these corners. So let's get him back in the game. Got to duck under the camera here. Sorry guys, ruining the action. Straight down into Bacharach Bend and round into the single lane there. Up into Bentley. We're going to try and take it a little bit easier now. Over there into Chicago, round to Bentley, up here, turbo, slow into the corner, long straight down there. And there's a power surge going on this little bit down here, which is all good, into Chicago, round into the drift circle. We're not going to drift it. We've got a magnet in. This is a box fresh car with a magnet. Oh, we've got a lane change into the pit lane there, Neil. Excuse me, I hope you're all keeping well. Paul, how you doing? Paul's kids, Michael, you're all great. Anyway, we've got a bit of drift going on. We got a drift. Yes, we had some drift. I can't believe we got a drift on the Evora box fresh. Excuse me, I've got a tickly sore throat. No, it's not COVID. I know it's on everyone's lips at the moment. So has anyone been vaccinated? Any viewers been vaccinated? Any viewers not wanting to take the vaccine? You're going to find it hard to get on a flight soon if you don't. Anyway, back to the race. So what we got here then? We've had a little bit of a time delay. I'm going to get this. He's going to wheel spin in. He is going to get it. He's going to get it. He got it. Get in there. He is so fast on that corner there. It's unbelievable. But yeah, so we've had a little bit of a break between episodes. You might have noticed. I'm sorry. I should have said something before going dark. But we had, last weekend was the royal funeral, so rest in peace. Prince Philip. Great guy, great guy. Anyway, we've heard enough about it now. I'm a little bit, much as I love the guy, I'm a bit bored of his funeral. Rest in peace, me old China. So, how does the Evora handle? Well, it's nice. It's the Lotus we got. The last Lotus we had, oh no, it wasn't a Lotus, it was a McLaren. I thought that our American police car was a Lotus, but it wasn't. It was a McLaren. I stand corrected, track fans. So I really like this track, and the Evora, the Lotus Evora, is handling it beautifully. Straight into the corner, and he's off again. Crash two, Albert. Albert, we stacked it. Right, we're gonna have to maybe get a field marshal down this end of the track. Yes, got the lane change. I don't know if you could get that. Oh, he's rocks the camera. Hang on. Yeah, we've still got a camera view. This is an action-packed adventure. This is a great drive on the Evora. Really handles well. It sticks to the track because it's got a magnet. I know. We might take the magnet out of it and see how it handles them, but I'll probably do it on a different track actually. This track is non-magnet friendly. So, what have we got going on? So what have you been up to? Oh, I tell you everyone, track fans, we're off the track again because I got excited. But guess who had a birthday this week? Albert had his birthday. Happy birthday, Albert. And he got a Scalextric car and got some books and got some games. And he got a bike and he got loads of great stuff. But, you know, I'm going to see him soon and we're going to check out that new bike of his. I bet it's well quick. So, oh, has he got it? No, he's not got it. Where's my noodle? Oh, I tell you, when you have a stack out on here, every second feels like about 5 minutes. Right. Oh, come on, you can do this. Yes. Right then, let's bring it in. Let's bring it in round here. Right, we're gonna go last lap, track fans. We had a great time on this track, track 97, a big drift circle, tight Gambon corner over there into Bacharach. Right, oh, one more lap because I haven't stopped talking yet. Into a hairpin into Chicago, drift circle, up and over the flyover, tight into Gambon, long, fast straights around there. Yes, track, yes, Albert, get in there, track fans. See you later, Paul, Mike, Niall, everyone else. See you soon, guys.